Welcome to Great Britain and Northern Ireland. It's also called the United Kingdom. It's about 243,609 kilometers square. Like Spain, the UK has 61,113,205 people, and most people speak English. Most people in UK are Christian. Also, there are some Buddhists and Hindus. This is a political map of the UK. The capital city is London, but there is also some important cities in UK like Cambridge and Oxford. There are two world-renowned universities, Cambridge University and Oxford University. Edinburgh is the capital city of Scotland. This is a physical map of the UK. The UK is an archipelago surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean. London is plateau. The highlands make up most of the Scotland. Wales is covered by mountains, but in Ireland, the lands are generally lower. The lowest land in UK is the Fens, -4 meters high. The highest point in the UK is Ben Nevis, 1,343 meters high. The absolute location of the London is in the latitude of 54 north, longitude of 2 west. It's in the northwest part of the Europe, near France. The UK near the Arctic Ocean, but the UK is surrounded by the ocean. The ocean keeps the temperatures from changing so much, so the climate is mild and wet. In summer, the average temperature is around 25 centigrades, and in winter, it's around 10 centigrades. In UK, 92.1% people are white, 2% are black, 1.8% are Indian, 1.3% are Pakistani, and 2.8% are others. The type of government in UK is a constitutional monarchy. It's a leader in the Commonwealth. The monarch in the UK is Elizabeth. She is 83 years old now. The Prime Minister in UK is Gordon Brown. He became the 52nd Prime Minister in May 2007. Queen Elizabeth does not have power. The Prime Minister and the Parliament have power. There are some important political events. January 1973, the UK joined the EU, European Union. February 2001, hand-foot-mouth diseases outbreak of British livestock. People killed thousands of pigs and sheep. July 2005, London suffered a terrible bombing. Around 700 people were injured or died. In 2012, London will host the 30th Olympic Games. UK has a long history, about 2,000 years. In 1066, Duke William conquered England. In 4055 to 4087, York family started the War of Rose. In 1707, England and Scotland merged to form a kingdom of Great Britain. In 1801, the merger of Ireland, Great Britain and Northern Ireland set up. Winston Churchill was the Prime Minister during World War II and is an important historical figure. William Shakespeare lived during the Renaissance and is one of the UK's most important writers. He's famous for his plays like Romeo and Juliet, Macbeth, and Hamlet. Isaac Newton was a British physicist, astronomer, and a mathematician. Arthur Conan Doyle, he wrote the famous Sherlock Holmes series. The currency is the British pound sterling. UK has a lot of natural resources such as coal, natural gas, salt, chalk and lead. UK exports machinery, electrical, oil, etc. And the specialty is Scotch, English sherry, and English red tea. Tourism is Britain's most important economic sector. 210,000 of people from other countries visit the UK every year, and most will visit London. The UK has one of the world's highest university graduation rates. The illiteracy rate is 0%, and all UK children can go to school free from the age of 5 to 16. There are over 90 universities in UK. The traditional food in UK is sausages with some meat, eggs, tomatoes, beans, and French fries. In some company, the Friday lunch is fish and French fries. The traditional drink is English red tea. The traditional clothing in Scotland is a kilt. The Scottish wears them in important assemblies or parties. The UK celebrate Christmas, which means the Jesus' birthday. At Christmas, people give each other presents and families get together to share a meal. Those are some facts of the UK. Have fun in the trip to the UK.